matched our data, reviewed the duplicates, and built our golden records. Now the final step, taking the results out of MatchLogic in final export. First, I choose which datasets to export. Both our sources are here, the CRM customer export and the ERP customer export, and I can include either one or both in the output. I'll select both. Before we export, MatchLogic gives us 3 settings that control exactly what ends up in the file. Together, they decide the shape of your output. The first is duplicate handling, what to do with the duplicates we found. Export all records keeps everything, but marks which records are duplicates. Nothing is lost. Export unique records only strips the duplicates out, leaving a clean, deduplicated list. And export master records only keeps just one master, the golden record per group. That last one is how you get a single consolidated record per customer. The second is duplicate export mode, which sets of duplicates to include. Export duplicate records, outputs, only the duplicates we actually detected. And export cross-dataset matches focuses on the ones that span multiple datasets, the records that appear in both our CRM and our ERP. That's powerful when your goal is specifically to see who exists in more than one system. And the third is row selection behavior, how your manual review carries through. Export all rows, ignores your selections, and outputs everything. Exclude selected rows, removes the ones you marked. And export selected rows only outputs just the records you handpicked. So the flags we set back in match results can flow straight into the export. As I set these, the preview starts empty. It says no preview data available. That's by design. The preview generates on demand, so I'm never waiting on it unless I ask. I'll click preview to see exactly what my current settings will produce. And there's the data preview, a live look at the output before I commit. Every row shows its group ID, its source, and the review flags, master, selected, and not duplicate, along with the match scores per field. As I change the settings above and refresh, this updates, so I always know exactly what I'm about to get. 2 quick controls here. Hide system columns strips out the internal scoring columns for a cleaner file. And compact view tightens the layout so I can scan more rows at once. When everything looks right, I have 2 buttons. Export generates the final file, and from its drawdown, I can choose the format I need. And Save Settings keeps this exact export configuration, so it's ready to reuse next time. And that's the full pipeline, from a messy, duplicated import all the way to a clean, deduplicated export with golden records, ready to load back into your systems. In just a few guided steps, MatchLogic turned 2 inconsistent customer files into one trusted source of truth.